cheat, and you try to make a fool out of she. Now I can't see where you coming from.